Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. So I am ditching the wigs because it's hot and I'm going to do a ponytail today. Right now I am just doing a little relaxer in my hair because it's been just tied down for over a year with between the braids and the wigs. So I'm going to straighten that out a little bit, and then I'm going to dye it, and then I'm going to show you guys how I put my little ponytail on. It's very temporary, so I just got some hair that I already had, and I'm just going to wrap it on in there because I will be doing my braids very soon because it's summertime. Yay! So before I start, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and a big thumbs up. All right, let's get her done. Okay friends, so now that this is setting, well, you know, just got to have some conditioner in it. We're going to see what we're going to wear. I'm going to see what I'm going to wear for date night with the hubby. So let's look at this and see what we got. You can see I'm thinking I don't have to be like all crazy casual. I mean, you know, sexy or anything. I actually have to work tomorrow. But look at these jeans. Ooh. Unfortunately, I have to lose weight to fit into them. But they've been sitting in my closet since spring. Anyway, so I figure for date night, I will wear this outfit. So this is going to be cool. That's going to be nice. I can't wait to turn you around. Oops. So yeah, this is what I'm going to wear. Nice jeans and a top. I love it when I change my entire appearance, and my husband, like, he'll meet me out and he doesn't know who I am. Like in the beginning when we first started dating, I would always just change my hair like I do now. And one time he walked in, he sat 2 chairs down from me and just did not even know it was me. And I just told the bartender, can you send him a martini straight up extra dry with olive, no dirt? And then he looked at me, he was like, oh my God. I was like, you are so crazy. But anyway, that's what I want to just do today. See if he remembers, if he noticed me after 4 years. So I decided to just go Coach today. So I pulled out those little sneakers. I'm not going to wear any socks or anything with them. Just going to wear them like that. And we're going to pick a bag. So can you see? I don't feel like turning you around, so I definitely gonna do this one because this one matches the shoes better. Got that, and I love my little white one, but it's okay. I am definitely going with this one. Yeah, I love getting ready for date night. Okay friends, so I just got out of the shower. My hair is all ready to go into a ponytail. I have my white strips on. See? Because it's very important to have a pretty smile. If you can help it, if you can do it, baby. Yeah, so I might change my mind about what color I'm going to wear, but we'll see. Because look, I painted my fingernails green. So maybe I might wear a green top, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay friends, so finally, I decided to wear the green, but anyway, and I meant to say I dipped my nails and made them green. Not painted, they're dipped and designed and everything. But I'm going to show you how I do my hair now in a ponytail. Yay! So I like to wear it on the side, so I part it down to the side like that. Depends on, you know, how much hair you got or whatever you want to do. I don't wear it going all the way back because I feel as though I have a really big forehead. Okay, so I try to get that part nice, which is just not acting right now. So do the best you can. Okay, so usually I do this when my hair is pretty wet, so I'm gonna wet it a little bit. It's just water. I just was doing other stuff, and so I let it dry. I had to put my eyebrows on and all that stuff. And my eyelashes. So yeah, I usually let it get pretty wet. I usually do it like literally after I get out of after I wash my hair and all of that stuff, I will put the ponytail in. So then it just get my little style that I want. So I like it to go front around my face and then just to the side. This is where I did my wig and everything, shaving off my hair. So it makes you just brush that, get it all in there, nice and up. Get the back, and then go around. Now this is just how I like mine. You can do yours, all the way back or up or whatever you prefer, whatever makes you happy. So I'm going to take some especially for this front part, because I like that to go down and over. Just like that. Down and over. It's just so easy to do, and I'll keep my hair like this until I actually start doing my braids. Okay. So yeah, so we're gonna get that down and over and all ready for you. Okay, so what I did is I took my little toothbrush because I can never find one of those other little brushes everybody use, and I just pulled out my little hairs here and here and just trained this to go around like that and down. So I did that, and now ponytail time. Gel, I use a really lot of gel, although I'm kind of running out. But just make sure you put a nice amount of gel up in your hair. I'll wet it a little bit more. Let's get a nice amount up in there. Get it good, get it good. And then I'll put some grease, because just a little bit of hair grease. And we'll brush it up. Gotta look in it because I want to make sure it goes up. Like, because you want just your ponytail, so you want it. I mean, some people wear their ponytails low, but I like mine a little high. So usually I wear a really long ponytail, but like I said, I just grabbed some hair, some tracks I already had, and I'm going to use those because this hair is not going to be in here long, and I'm not going to spend $100 for some hair that I'm not going to use for a long time. So, or keep it in, because I really want my braids. So let's make sure you get that all up like that. Make sure it's all good and smooth and everything. Get a I'm going to use you shouldn't use the rubber bands in your hair, so don't put the rubber bands. So get a nice band, tight. Put that in a little, like just a little bunny thing. Hopefully you saw that. Like, yeah. That's it. And then we're just gonna get the little, I can actually see myself. I didn't think I could. Alright, so I can see myself better in my mirror. And so the toothbrush is good because it just evens everything out. It'll make everything nice and even. So we'll get that later. So you need bobby pins. So I'm feeling I sink. So we need bobby pins. I just have bags of them, so because I wear ponytails I was wearing ponytails a whole lot, and then I switched to braids. The summertime it's between ponytails and braids. In the wintertime, it's my wigs, my expensive hats. So, cause I don't want to beat my head getting cold. So that's cool. That's up. That's good. So you take your tracks. Like I said, I just some old. I mixed it together. I'm gonna get 2 colors here. So make sure you get an even side. And these I actually, like, I pulled out, I brushed down, just do whatever I had to do. This is going to be short for me, like really, really short, but it's okay. And you put it up there. Get your bobby pin. When I like to use these little ones like this when it's close to my scalp. So just get it in there. Just put it in there, and then you go around. Make sure you hold it. Make sure you flip when you get to the other side. But hold that, and then get your bobby pins, and you just continue to do that. Just make sure you get them in there nice and tight. You don't want the bobby pins sticking out, so make sure you get them in there nice and tight. Hopefully you saw that. So just get, and then you just go around and around. Make sure you always get the top, because you don't want that sticking out. That's gross. So make sure you get like that part up there at the top, because you don't want the bobby pins to be sticking out and everything while you like doing your thing. You know what I'm saying? So. And I like I said, I like to use these ones because they're just thin and they don't hurt your head like when it gets tight, when you go tight. So just make sure you get every side. Go get it all. So I'm just going to get one in here and just keep going around. That's what I'm going to do. So, okay, I'm finishing up here. I just have a little bit more to go. And just make sure when you get to the like the outer part, the end part, make sure that when you stick the bobby pins in, that is not going towards your scalp or doing anything, because if it pulls your hair, you're going to be uncomfortable, and you don't want to be uncomfortable. You want to be pretty, but you want to be comfortable. So just like make sure you don't like get it in a place. Like sometimes I just take them out and put them back in, because you know it'll pull my hair, and then I'll pull them out of my sleeve, and I'll pull the bobby pins out because I don't like being uncomfortable. So I'm going to put a little one in this one in the back because it was uneven. Because I literally mixed 2 hairs together. 2 tracks. I mean, you can do whatever you want though. That's what I like about life. And then this part, we're going to just finish it up there. See, that's this, like, I got a bobby pin. It's just all weird right now. So I got to find it. Here it is. It's like in a weird way. And I'll take it out. Ugh, I can get it. I can't, so I just fixed it. It just went some other kind of way. And so just make sure you pull it tight. See if I can find so I'm just going to use a regular bobby pin up there because I want this to be tight. Well, they're all regular bobby pins, but you know what I'm saying, right? So get that in there. It gets a little bit difficult once you get higher up, so it's like it sucks. Like I have to work on it really a lot. But there, we got that, and then we got this little piece here, and I'll use this bobby pin. Get it nice under there, tuck it, make sure it's tucked in. So I don't like. Ooh, so if you see that, see I feel a track. Just push it up and put a bobby pin in it. Like it's easy to fix. Everything's easy to fix. So I'll pull that up, and I'll get another little bobby pin, and I'll just stick it right there. There. See, this one, I got one that's touching my scalp. I don't like it when it touched my scalp. That was that one I put in. See, this one it's just icky. I mean, they're good, but I don't like it when it stretches, it'll dig into my scalp or pull my hair, and I can't take that. So we'll fix that. Get another one of these thin ones. Just gotta find a spot. Right there, I believe. Right there. And I'll just get that in there. Yeah, I don't like that when that happens. So cool. I still feel like a track there. I think I kind of like just took it out. But you can feel around and see where you're going with stuff. Tighten it up. Like I'm just pulling it tight. And then I'll throw another bobby pin there. You can use as many bobby pins as you want. Go bobby pin crazy. A lot of people put a lot in, but I try to do less as possible. So I don't know. I'm just not extra like that. So there we go. So I take my little scrunchie. I'll take like a thin one, thin scrunchie. We'll see. Let's see what it feels like, because this one right here kind of sucks. So you gotta kind of just like feel it out and see how it goes. Yeah, like this one bobby pin is extra long. There we go. Then you get your little scrunchie, or just something, you know, whatever you want to cover it up with. I make it a little. Actually, that's pretty much okay, just like that. I just like to cover the hair. I don't like my hair being. I don't like the tracks being seen. So there we have it. And then we'll fix all of this here. We'll get all of that fixed. So you do like your touch-ups. You get everything you need, you want. Gel it up a little bit more. Shine it up a little bit more. You know, do whatever you have to do. But that is how you get that ponytail in real quick, okay? And that's an easy, it's easy when you're in between wigs and braids and stuff like that. Long, short, whatever. I wear them down. I just wear them, you know me, I just do anything. So yeah, the ponytail is in. Yeah, baby. Holla. Okay, friends, so I am ready for date night. I'm so happy. Got the ponytail in, my Summer Dew, one of Yvonne's originals. I'm wearing different earrings, but there is earrings to match this. I got my little Coach bag and my sneakers. I am ready to go. I hope my husband recognizes me. That's so funny. Okay. You know I gotta step back and do my thing. This is me ready for date night with my love. I love it. I feel good. Yay! That is so cool. So please, friends, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and a big thumbs up. I am going to date night with my husband. Holla! Yay! You are blessed. Have a great day. Bye.